Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. Today, we will explore one of the most exciting blocks in the Questflow platform, Geolocation, or GeoPoint. This tool is designed specifically for those who run interactive quizzes, corporate trainings, and real-world urban quests where participants need to physically move between locations. The workflow is extremely simple and intuitive. Players receive a task to head to a specific location. Right within their Telegram bot, they grant access to their geolocation data. This location sharing can be either one-time, when a person reaches the destination and simply logs their coordinates, or continuous, meaning real-time position streaming, or live location. In the settings of our visual builder, we predefine the target coordinates. As soon as a player or team reaches the required spot, the system automatically verifies the match and awards points. You can flexibly configure the reward system. For example, you can give extra bonus points to the participant who arrives first. This is also where you set the conditions for passing the stage. The bot can move the scenario forward when the first participant arrives, when the entire team gathers, or when the majority reaches the point. And now, for the real magic of engagement. The block features a system of smart, dynamic hints. Imagine this situation. You've made a historical monument the target, but didn't give the players the exact address. A player turns on their live location and starts searching for the goal. In the editor, you can set radius zones, for example, 3000 meters and 250 meters. If the player is far away, the bot will automatically send them a pre-written hint. You're on the right track, but the goal is still 3 kilometers away. The closer the participant gets, the more precise and interesting your messages can be. It works just like a captivating game of hot and cold, right inside the messenger. But that's not all. For quest organizers or even spectators, we've created an amazing streaming mode. In the top right corner of the interface, there's a map button. It generates a special public link. On this interactive map, the movements of all participants and teams, along with their current scores, are displayed in real time, just like on a radar. This incredibly boosts the competitive spirit and makes your eventos truly high-tech. The use cases for the geolocation block are limited only by your imagination. If you organize offline events and want to implement such cool mechanics, write to Questflow support. We will be happy to show you how to easily and quickly bring your boldest ideas to life.